everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Mommy Budgets and I am Amanda. Today I am here to do my week 2 budget recap for the month of February 2022. So if you're interested in that sort of content, then please stick around for the remainder of the video. For those that are new to my channel, welcome. And for those that are not new, welcome back. Here on this channel, I pretty much talk about anything related to finances, and I try to do a midweek cozy chair conversation where I talk about any topic that I would like. So as I previously mentioned, we are going to go through the budget recap. In a budget recap, what I'm actually doing is talking through or discussing those transactions that I did not project in my budget projection. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing today. It's going to be very short today, guys. So what I am going to do, I am going to put a screenshot up on the screen so you can follow along with me. So that screenshot should be there now. I'm going to be looking down because I do have my notes here with me. All right, you should see it there. Week 2 budget recap, February the 10th through February the 16th, 2023. In a budget recap, also, I am recapping any transactions that took place on the previous payday, so that previous Friday up until the following Thursday, because I get an income every single week. Okay, so that's why you see those dates listed there. First up on the docket, yes, that is exactly what it says, because I know you all go on down and read my items while I'm giving my introduction. But anyway, the auto repair, $1,827. That money came out of 2 areas because it was a hefty amount. It came out, some of it came out of the Bill's savings account, and the other part came out of my mini emergency fund. And so, you know, we have to have our vehicles. So yeah, mini emergency fund is where that came from, because I do deem that important. However, that wasn't even my vehicle. That was my child's vehicle. More to come on more vehicle issues. All right, so next we have an emotive event, and this is a race that I registered for. For those that don't know, I do a lot of running and races and that kind of thing. So this is a race that I went on and registered for next year. To get the discount, it was $66.70, and that money also came out of the Bill's checking account. And for those that are new or may not know, I do leave like a buffer amount in that Bill's checking account each week, so over time that money may accumulate, and I really don't have a specific goal for it. So I do things like this, things that I enjoy, or just things that I want to do with that extra money. And last but not least is charity for $34.22, and that money also came out of the Bill's checking account. And as you also see at the bottom of the page, we're finally back to mortgage updates. So we're going to remove that screenshot, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a screenshot up of last week's balance. So you should see that screenshot there now. The previous or old balance was $55,881.81. Okay, and if we can recall, which I'm going to go back and look at my budget projection sheet, I was to send $337 to the principal only of the mortgage. However, that last week was the week that I also paid the regular monthly payment. So you have 2 amounts going toward the principal only. A portion of my regular monthly payment, which is I think about $300, plus that additional $337 that we have going toward the mortgage. So now I am going to put the new screenshot up on the screen for the new balance. The new balance is $55,244.70. we are moving and shaking with this mortgage. I am very excited about it. I know that the pace of paying it down is slowed down because I am utilizing some of that money to go toward the tuition account, but it is what it is. That's what we're doing now until we can bring in more income. All right, so now, with that being said, I think that is really all I have. Oh yeah, and as you can see up on the screen that I was able to knock off 2 more months off of the time length of the mortgage by paying that additional $337 toward the principal only. So yeah, that's kind of where we are. That's all I have for this video today, guys. This is Dr. Mommy Budgets, where we dream big but start small around here. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you're doing with your money. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Peace.